Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into a Baptist Health Employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Baptist Health Employee, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as BaptistHealth.net. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of Baptist Health and also under this employee section. Now to log into your employee account, tap on PeopleSoft. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So type your user ID in the text field given for your user ID. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. Now to log into your account, tap on the sign in button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know this video was helpful for you. And subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.